Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I'm participating in a one pot challenge hosted by Creatively MsMe with Stephanie and Juani's house. Yay, I'm so excited to participate in this challenge, and partially because it has gotten really cold here. So as you can see with all these ingredients here, I'm going to be making chili. So if you guys want to see how I make the best chili, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so we're going to go over our ingredients that we have here, but also I should mention that I would encourage you guys to be sure to go over to Stephanie's channel and Juani's channel to check out their videos and the playlist of all of the other participants. We've been having so much cold weather, so I'm sure a lot of the ladies are cooking some warm meals, so you guys can get some ideas on what to cook to try to keep warm this winter. Now for this chili, I'm going to be using and I have a large ground beef here because I have a large family. I was hoping to find 90% lean, but Kroger's only had 80%, so I said fine, I'll take that. So I have ground beef. You'll need one whole onion. You'll need some garlic, and I also have garlic powder. I have chili powder here. I have some cumin, black pepper, salt. I'm using Mediterranean sea salt, but you can use regular salt if you like. I have cayenne pepper. This is optional. I won't be adding this in because my little guy will be eating chili also, but I do have it out in case you guys wanted to use that. And then you can add some to your plate if you like. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, and back here we have some tomato paste. I have 2 cans of kidney beans, the dark red kidney beans. I have 3 cans of tomato sauce. I'm probably not going to use all 3, but they were like $3 for $1, so I took 3 of them. You'll need some diced tomatoes. I have that there, and some beef broth. And also, because I love tomatoes so much, I also bought some tomatoes on the vine because I will be putting fresh tomatoes in our chili. Alrighty guys, so let's get the chili going. guys, so as you can see, our chili is complete, and this is a very delicious meal on a cold winter day. And so yeah, simple, easy, quick to make, and very yummy, and you know, just really comfort food. So that is my chili. And let me say again a big thank you so much to Stephanie and Juani for hosting this collaboration. This was so much fun. Be sure to go over and check out their channels. It will be listed in the description box down below. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you've enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know the deal. I love you so, so much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.